Are you living paycheck to paycheck and wondering if it's even possible to save money? You're not alone. In fact, nearly 60% of Americans are in the same boat. Many feel stuck. But here's the good news. Building an emergency fund is possible, even on a tight budget. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Set a realistic savings goal. Start by figuring out how much you want to save. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. But don't let that number scare you. Begin with a smaller, achievable goal, like $500 or $1,000. This can cover many unexpected costs and gives you a solid foundation. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. Step 2. Create a budget and find savings. Next, take a hard look at your income and expenses. Try tracking every dollar you spend for just 1 month. Identify areas where you can cut back, like dining out, subscriptions, or impulse buys. Even small changes, like skipping one takeout meal a week, can free up money to put toward your emergency fund. Step 3. Automate your savings. Make saving effortless by automating it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account right after you get paid. This way, you pay yourself first and avoid the temptation to spend what you plan to save. You won't even miss it. Step 4. Start small and be consistent. You don't need to save big amounts right away. Even setting aside $20 or $25 per paycheck adds up over time. The key is consistency. Small, regular contributions build momentum and grow your fund steadily. Saving just $20 per paycheck adds up to over $500 a year. That's peace of mind in your back pocket. Step 5. Boost your fund with extra income. Whenever you receive unexpected money, like a bonus, tax refund, or gift, put some or all of it into your emergency fund. These windfalls can accelerate your savings and bring you closer to your goal faster. Think of them as shortcuts to security. Step 6. Choose the right place for your emergency fund. Keep your emergency fund in a safe, accessible place. A high-yield savings account or money market account is ideal. Your money can earn interest while staying easy to access when you need it. Don't put your emergency fund into investments. This money needs to stay safe and easy to reach when you need it most. Step 7. Track your progress. Finally, regularly track your savings progress. Watching your emergency fund grow, even by small amounts, can be incredibly motivating. Use a simple spreadsheet, a savings app, or even your trusty piggy bank. Whatever works best for you, to stay committed and keep going. Building an emergency fund while living paycheck to paycheck isn't easy, but it's definitely doable. Start small, stay consistent, and keep your eyes on the prize. Your financial peace of mind is worth it, and it's closer than you think. It's okay to start small. What matters most is that you start. We're all in this together, and your story might inspire someone else to keep going. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to saving money? Share your story in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Want to know more about investing in the US stock market? That video's got you covered. Check the link in the description. I will see you there. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, financially and in health, and I will see you in the next video.